Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to solve question number 202 of LeetCode, which is happy number. This question will help you in practicing recursion problems. This is very simple question of recursion. So first let's read the question. Write an algorithm to determine if n is happy. Now, a happy number is a number defined by the following process. Starting with any positive integer, replace the number by the sum of square of its digits. Okay. Repeat the process until the number equals 1, where it will stay, or it loops endlessly in a cycle which does not include 1. Okay. Those number for which this process end in 1 are happy. Return true if n is happy number and false if not. So basically what we have to do, a number n is given, we have to split it, find the square, submit, and if it's equal to 1 it's a happy number, or else we will continue the process. The sum will become n, we will split, square, sum, it will repeat till the number becomes 1, or it will continuously loop in that thing. So we will use recursion for this question. So if n is equal to 1, we will return true. Okay. And if n is any number smaller than 10, we will return false. As for separating the digits, we need more than 2 digits. We need more than number 9. Or else what we will do is we will create a while loop. In that and we have to have the sum as well. So sum variable. In the while loop, what we will do is first we will get the digit using the modulus, and we have to add it in the sum by squaring it. So we will square using this, and I will sort the number by this will be n, sorry. Then you have to make the number smaller, so we will divide it by 10. And then after the while loop complete, we will use recursion, and we will send the sum back to the isHappy function, and the whole algorithm will run again. Now let's run this to check. Okay, there's a problem. Oh, we didn't use return, sorry. Without return it will not run the question. As in C++ we must return something, or else it will give a error. The loop is wrong. As you can see, both the test cases have been passed. Now I will add one more test case of 7. Let's see if this works or not. Okay, the 7 test case failed, but according to the question, this should have been passed. So actually 7 will also give a happy number, but after some steps. So I will show you how it will happen. So 7 will become 49. Okay, 49 will be 4 4 is 16, and 9 9 is 81. 97 will be 81 plus 49. 130, 1 plus 9, 10, and 10, which will be 1, and 1 is 1 will be give a happy number. So like this, the 7 will also be a happy number. So in condition we will add 7 as well. Now let's run this. As you can see, the 7 also got passed. Now let's submit the answer. we get 0 millisecond runtime, which beats 100% of the people. So the space complexity of this question is log n, and runtime complexity is also log n. So if you like my explanation, give a like, and for more such LeetCode explanations, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.